Hello, today I'm in Mercedes S400. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To activate front wipers, twist the top part of the lever once upwards to activate constant mode, faster automatic mode, fast mode, and the fastest mode. To disable it, set it to 0 position. To use front wipers once, press the lever. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.